Southeastern Pete's Parish in central Louisiana, Central Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, Southwestern Avoyelles Parish in central Louisiana, North Central St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, Northeastern LN Parish in southwestern Louisiana, until 5:30 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:33 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm was located near Pine Prairie, or near Turkey Creek, moving northeast at 30 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts and penny-size hail. Source, radar indicated. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Oakdale, Marksville, Bunkie, Glenra, Moorville, Chinneville, Turkey Creek, Morrow, Cottonport, Pine Prairie, Monshire, Hesmer, Evergreen, Plottsville, Bayou Chico, Goodell, Indian Lake, Whiteville, Big Cane, and DuPont. Remain alert for a possible tornado. Tornadoes can develop quickly from severe thunderstorms. If you spot a tornado, go at once into a small central room in a sturdy structure. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building.
Go double header.
The National Weather Service in Lake Charles has issued a tornado warning for Southeastern Evangeline Parish in central Louisiana, North Central Acadia Parish in southwestern Louisiana, Central St. Landry Parish in central Louisiana, until 5 a.m. Central Daylight Time. At 4:34 a.m. Central Daylight Time, a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located over Chautauqua, or near Eunice, moving east at 35 miles per hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. This dangerous storm will be near Opelousas, Swords, Prairie Ronde, and Lawtell around 4:40 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Grand Prairie around 4:50 a.m. Central Daylight Time. Take cover now. Move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris. The National Weather Service